Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change your Microsoft Edge wallpaper. So first of all, open your browser on your laptop. As you can see, have pinned the browser Edge, or you can just search Edge on here. And once you search the Edge, you will be seeing your application called Microsoft Edge. So open this application, and from here, just like a lot of people are saying you to go to the settings and the other things. So just do not go to any settings. And once you're on this home page, you will be seeing like this kind of section. And if you have added any kind of shortcuts, they will be visible on here. And from here, you can just find this option called page setting, like on the right upper corner. So just go to this page setting, click here. And once you click here, what you need to do is just scroll down a little bit, and let me just scroll down, and on here, as you can see, there is an option called background. So what you can do is, what if I turn it off? Like when you click on turn it off, as you can see, like this is a simple and plain white type background. There is no image on here. So that is a simple option. Just go to settings, find the option called background, and you can just turn it on. As you can see, this is the image. And if you, let's say you want to change the image, or you want to add image on your own, so just click here, and from here you can like see the multiple images and multiple videos as well, which are available. And from here you can just click an option upload image, and once you click an upload image, you can just select your image, whatever image that you have. You can just select it, and it will be visible on this section, and from here you can just take it, and after that it will be applied to your home page on the Microsoft Edge. So this is a simple and easy process of how you can change wallpaper on Microsoft Edge.